Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. And I'm going to show you how to make the cookie recipe, the chocolate chip cookie recipe, in a very fast and easy way. These can take a while because of the soaking and sprouting and dehydrating, but I've done that for you. I've soaked and sprouted the almonds. So we're just putting all the wet ingredients in, a little water, and a can of garbanzo beans. And you can make those ahead of time, or you can just use a can of garbanzo beans, and dates for sweetener, and just a little bit of coconut oil, and the almonds. You don't have to do anything but open the package and throw them in. And then we're going to whip this up. And we're going to transfer this batter to the mixing bowl. And now just blend in the rest of the ingredients, the dry ingredients from your mix. And if you want to, you can add some walnuts and some chocolate chips. Don't have to, but it's a nice addition. And that's your cookie dough. Fast and easy. All right, now we're going to put these on the cookie sheet. And then you just take a fork, dip it in the water, shake it off, and just flatten your cookies. This is important because they're too dense and don't cook well unless they're flattened out like this. And that's it. Goes into the oven and takes about 30 minutes for these. It's a little longer than normal because of the ingredients, the beans. And for more recipes like this one, go to our website and check out our social media channels, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.